welcome back to my channel. And today is the third episode of Beyond the Campus series. And after dwelling into business advisory, auditor from today, I have another guest from Big Four. So first of all, welcome Kashish, and thank you so much. Literally आज Sunday है and Sunday वाले दिन he agreed to do podcast. उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा thank you. So could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. Thanks, Ruchi. Thanks for inviting me on this. And it feels very good to be on the podcast. So currently, I'm an ACCA professional level candidate with 12 out of my 13 exams. And so it's been around 4.5 years with the firm. And I have started my career post my graduation from Delhi University directly in BCom. And apart from the work, I also like cricket. Recently, we won a tournament at the corporate tournaments, and the other interest I would say that I have into automobiles and also the stock analysis.
That's amazing. You have like a lot of things that you are doing. One is, like कि अगर Big Four में हो तो कुछ और नहीं कर सकते. You are true example that you can do many things at a time if you are in Big Four as well.
If you are good at managing stuff, then you can manage everything in your life.
Right. So as you mentioned that, you got it directly from BCom Honors, was it a campus placement? Which campus you were in? And how did you manage to, bag this?
Yeah, I didn't sit on the campus placement because I had some other plans to pursue masters and some ones. But later I thought, no, the masters we can do it like post 3 to 4 work experience. Then I walk into so yeah. And before that, I have also did a 4 5 months in Accenture just to get the corporate culture, and then I moved to KP.
That's amazing. Actually, there's a myth, or you can say there's a fear in college students that if you don't get into campus placement, it is extremely difficult to get a job in Big Four outside the campus. So you are another example that you can get into Big Four after the walk-in interviews as well. There are many ways that you can get into KPMG or any other Big Four. It's not just that campus placement ही एक जरिया होता है. बाकी भी बहुत सारे ways होते हैं. It's just that you need to be different from others, right? So when did you start your ACCA journey? I know it's just a candid conversation. I will come up with most vague questions.
That is fine. That is absolutely fine. So initially, I was not aware about ACCA. Honestly, I was just in the mind that after 3 to 4 works of experience, then I'll pursue my master's either from the some other country or from the India, whatever. Then when I worked in many resources to support you in your ACCA journey as well.
Yes.
So I started researching about the course in, I believe, September 20. Okay. And then I think, after doing a research of what value it is going to put in my career and all others, then after like around 3 to 4 months, I have registered myself with ACCA on self. And then around 4 to 5 months later, I would say May 21. And now here, and also at the same time I started my PER as well, because that's also a 36 months experience, so that is almost completed, that is around about to complete. And like it is my plan with one exam left and everything, so everything is in control.
That's nice. It's like you are, just one more thing that it's never too late to start ACCA. Like I am an ACCA mentor. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास इतने सारे बच्चे आते हैं, ma'am, I am into job now. I cannot handle too many things. Is it too late? I should have started in college. So you can start it once you, get the why. Like why you want to do ACCA. Once you are clear with it, it's okay. You can start at the age of 28, 30, 25, 22, and 19. Any age. It's just about starting it. Do it today. Right?
Right. Whenever you feel ready, start it.
Exactly. Whenever they ask me, ma'am, do they have good opportunities? Do they have good scope? Meaning, do your homework, do your research. Because no matter how good I explain you, until and unless the voice comes from within that, yes, I want to do that, you will not be able
Then
to
you're
pass the papers as well. You will not have that energy and spirit to pass that paper, right?
That's right. That's right.
See, okay, now let's get back to your
Hmm.
role and your current position, what you exactly do, which company, which sector, which industry, everything about your role.
Okay, so as you know, many of the viewers are already about
Your voice is
the
lagging. Your voice is
KPMG.
lagging.
KPMG is one of the
I
big
think you need to
accounting and auditing
restart.
firm in the world. And- Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, is it better now?
Yeah, you need to restart your answer because it lagged.
Okay, it is fine now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Oh, that because of the fluctuation of internet. You can cut
No
that part.
worries. No worries.
So yeah, as like many of the viewers, the big four accounting and auditing firm in the world. So I'm associated with the Geography UK,
Okay.
and it is like we here in data analytics handle different industries, which includes manufacturing, oiling, chemicals, public sector as well. So supporting onshore audit team which directly deals with the client, and we provide here at KPMG Global Services to work with. And we here in Clara Data Analytic team usually work with the big data using different tools, which helps audit team to reduce their sample sizes, reduce their testing procedures, to pick only those entries or pick only those which is majorly required, right? So my roles and responsibilities being with the digital senior auditor is like majorly reviewing the work done by the either associates or the executives,
Right.
and training and coaching for the new joiners which have newly joined with us, and provide a full hand support on these. And also along with this, we need to handle the complex clients, which requires a special attention and special skills level to deliver the results best on the time.
Right.
So this is like what we do. Yeah.
Okay, so you used a term data analytics, right? Data analytics is something that is sometimes, a very complex term. अगर किसी को literal meaning नहीं पता, ठीक है? In fact, in AA and AAA, when I teach my students, sometimes there are students, ma'am, what is it? I know what is it, मतलब data analytics, data को analyze करना is data analytics. Simple अगर मैंने ऐसे
Right.
समझाऊं. But how do you, will you explain it to a college going student that if you are coming to this field, that data analytics ki profile mein, what are you exactly going to do? What will be your, work? What a day would look like? मतलब काम क्या करना है? Because सब job description पढ़ के आते हैं, सब थोड़ा सा research करके आएंगे. But since you are working there, you will be able to tell us better कि भाई करना क्या होता है इस profile में. If you could do that.
तो या अगर मतलब मैं सिंपल टर्म्स में
सिंपल,
एक्सप्लेन
हाँ,
करूं,
मतलब सिंपलेस्ट
सिंपल टर्म्स में, सो दैट
एबीसी.
स्टूडेंट्स कैन रिलेट कि लाइक
हाँ,
व्हाट इज
एक एग्जांपल भी दे
तो
सकते हो अपने
बेसिकली
प्रोजेक्ट का
या
इफ यू विश टू.
हाँ राइट, लाइक व्हाट वी आर ऑडिटर्स, हम ऑडिटर्स हैं. सो बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर डू, वी ऑडिट द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, राइट?
यस.
फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स हम ऑडिट करते हैं, हाउ द कंपनी बिहेव ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, what are the revenue analysis, how the trend has been for the revenues and all other stuff.
Right.
What are the like creditors behaved, how the debtors behave during the year.
Yeah.
All these like we do in our audit, right? Now comes the picture of the data analytics. So कुछ भी स्टार्ट करने के लिए, कुछ भी एनालिसिस करने के लिए, या कुछ भी आपको स्टोर प्रोसीजर सॉरी सब्सटेंटिव प्रोसीजर्स या एनालिटिकल प्रोसीजर बनाने के लिए यू नीड द डेटा, राइट? सो डेटा इज द बेसिक थिंग. लाइक व्हाट यू विल ऑडिट, मतलब आप क्या ऑडिट करोगे, आपको डेटा तो चाहिए काम करने के लिए, राइट? नाउ हियर अगर मैं इंडियन एग्जांपल दूं तो इंडियन फर्म्स यूज टैली एंड अदर C++ लैंग्वेजेस टू रिकॉर्ड देयर अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम, राइट? Now, if you see around the world how the global operates, so in global companies use different ERP systems. Each accounting ERP system, for example, I would say SAP is one of the big, which people understand. And Oracle is also one of the databases which contains different ERPs. Microsoft Dynamics के काफी ERPs है जो accounting ERPs जो clients use करते हैं. Now each ERP has a different kind of data set. राइट? हर एक क्लाइंट का एक अलग तरीके से डेटा आता है, एक अलग
Right.
तरीके से वो स्ट्रक्चर्ड होता है, राइट? अब ऑडिटर्स विल डू कि उनको बैलेंस शीट समझ में आएगा, जर्नल्स लेजर समझ में आएगा, राइट?
हाँ,
बट उसके अलावा देर आर सो मच डेटा टाइप्स, राइट?
exact.
जिसकी उन्हें रिक्वायरमेंट होती है टू प्रिपेयर देयर एनालिसिस, टू प्रिपेयर देयर टेस्टिंग प्रोसीजर्स.
Right.
अब फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं इफ आई वुड लाइक टू गिव एन एंट्री, suppose there is an journal entry of around £1 million, right?
Mhm.
This has been posted by the CEO of the company, right? Now that entry is also approved by the same person,
Mhm. So that
correct?
is
So
something,
अब being an that is something which is not right, right?
right,
Because
suspicious.
अगर मैं 1 million का expense post कर रहा हूँ,
और
so
मैं
I
ही
cannot
approve
be the
कर
one who can approve that,
approve
right?
it, right?
So that will not be the right.
Exactly.
So what in our data analytics, what we do, so we makes the life of auditor easy. We get the data from the client,
Right.
right? We first we sanitize it. हम उसको एक neat and clean picture में present करते हैं into our one single dashboard, which we prepare here, and then उस पे the audit team can work by just clicking the mouse. They can just click few mouses,
Exactly.
and then they will get the all the draft of the entries which has been posted and approved by the same user.
Exactly.
और उस पे they can also put one more filter कि who's at the senior leaderships or who's at the like CEOs, CFOs who are posting the entries and also approving the same.
Right.
So ये हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा टेस्ट होता है, ठीक है? Further, so our data analytics, we are not going to reach out for the client. हम client के पास नहीं जाएंगे कि why you did that. That is something which audit team does.
Right.
क्योंकि उनके पास इतनी ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग और पिक्चर्स होती है, and that also requires seniors approvals as well, right?
Exactly.
But we help them to identify that. Now वो entry identify हो गई है, so auditor will go, they will write down all the testing they have done
Open
on
points.
journals and right.
Right.
तो वो फिर एक कंसोलिडेट लेवल पे जाएंगे एंड दे विल डिस्कस विद द मैनेजमेंट कि इसके पीछे क्या रीजन था. फर्दर, एज यू ऑल आर अवेयर, ऑडिट कम्स विद द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. We will document that and then we will close out. So that's how
Wow.
the thing works.
Wow, you explained it like phenomenally. आगे के जो AA और AAA के स्टूडेंट्स आने वाले हैं, मैं बोलने वाली हूँ कि ये वाला पार्ट देख लो डेटा एनालिटिक्स के लिए.
They will understand ki what we do.
They will understand very nicely. Now, another example, जैसे just correct me if I'm wrong. Let's say अगर आप Amazon का ऑडिट कर रहे हो, अब Amazon में कितनी लाखों करोड़ों ट्रांजैक्शंस होती होंगी, right? ऑन ईयर ऑन बेसिस.
Right.
हम ऑडिटर को पूरे साल का ऑडिट करना है, और अगर हमें वो रॉ डेटा मिल जाए, हम देख के पागल हो जाएंगे कि
पागल हो
सेल्स
जाओगे.
के ही इतने सारे फिगर्स हैं. आई कैन इमेजिन कि कितने लैक्स ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन होती होगी. सो टू मेक इट मोर अंडरस्टैंडेबल मैनर एज एन ऑडिटर कि भाई हम वो रेवेन्यू, वो मटेरियल वाला फिल्टर करें और हमें वो मटेरियल अमाउंट्स आ जाए, हम उसमें से सैंपल्स पिक कर ले. ये काम आप लोगों ने आसान बनाया. सो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव विदाउट डेटा एनालिटिक्स टीम, आई बिलीव, राइट? जब
That is
तक
true.
हमारे पास वो
मतलब
फिल्टर होके नहीं आएगा, वो रॉ डेटा देख के तो हम पागल हो जाएंगे.
पागल हो जाओगे. बिल्कुल, that is absolutely true.
Exactly. So, just I understood it, phenomenally. So, आपका जैसे होता है, since you joined as an audit associate, at a junior level, so आपका काम
Right.
मतलब कैसे improve हुआ? मतलब क्या? What was the major difference when you were at a junior level? Now that you are a senior, we understand that you are here to review. Right? Basically, seniors are for the review of the juniors, and they get, complex areas where juniors are not advisable to perform because it's a complex area. So what else
Right.
changes? Do you, with authority, what comes in? Responsibility and ownership, definitely, but what else?
Basically, I would say the client engagements. Okay, because I would say at junior level, we are like little bit not allowing them to, get directly engaged with the client.
Okay.
Because वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा we have to, build
Extra
the
cautious.
relationship with the engagement, especially with the first year audit client.
Right.
So वहाँ पे I think which is majorly changed when I being promoted to that level. कि आपका communication, and you must know how to make a good relationship with them,
Right.
right? Because at the end we are providing services to the client only, and they, of course, they are going to pay us, so that's why. And yeah, so first thing that is like, and the other part which I feel, earlier at junior level हमारे पास काम आता था and we do it, right? और
हाँ.
उसके लिए हम भेज देते थे, right? Now, but
Right.
at this level I would say कि we will have started doing it from the planning phase. Now
Right.
I don't know about others, but मुझे planning phase of audit is very important for me. मतलब मेरे को वो काफी important लगता है, because at that time ना आपके पास जितनी भी queries है, जितने भी questions है, आप engagement से पूछ सकते हो, they will not hesitate to answer.
Right.
और
Right.
जितनी अच्छी आपकी planning होगी ना, उतना अच्छा you can perform the audit. I mean,
That's
so
that's
yeah, जो भी requirements है, जो भी procedures हैं, restrictions level, everything can be decided at planning phase.
You are
So
literally turning my bookish languages into real life word. I guess that planning is very important, important. Like, obviously, it will impact your throughout. It will be,
right,
revised. You will revisit the audit plan that you have initially created once and all.
true.
जो आपको पता चलता रहता है. But initial level पे, the planning meeting is so very important. Like, as a data
That is
analytics
true.
team also, and as an auditor also, it's very, very important.
Right. As a data analytics, you would also need a planning, because आपको client के accounting ERP की understanding लेना,
हाँ.
right? Who will be the right point of contact for that?
Right.
All these stuffs are also important, because अगर आप सही बंदे से बात ही नहीं कर रहे होंगे तो you will not get the right data. और जब तक data नहीं आएगा, you cannot perform any of your procedures.
Exactly.
Yeah.
मतलब अगर आप finance director से HR के records पूछने जाओगे,
Right.
तो आपको बोलेगा we will talk later. He will
Right.
not give you
Well,
any
they will
answer.
not entertain you. They will directly call the partner and say कि what team are working you on, guys? कि मतलब मेरे पास एक irrelevant queries आ रही है. I have already given you all
Seriously.
the relevant point of contacts, but still they are reaching out. So that is also a crucial part, to whom to contact at the right time.
Exactly. It's like जब हम अपने आंसर्स लिखते हैं उसमें, तो हम हमेशा लिखते हैं डिस्कस विद द मैनेजमेंट. मैंने कहा गाइस, इट्स नॉट दैट इजी टू डिस्कस विद द
Correct.
मैनेजमेंट. You cannot go and knock their doors every
Right.
time. You need to refer to PY files, everything that you have first, and then you visit
That
and discuss with them. हर
that
चीज
is
पे
true.
उनके पास जाओगे, वो छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे. ऑडिटर बहुत परेशान कर रहा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये which is true. मतलब
Exactly.
at the end we have a feedback session on each client debrief where we done. So we received sometimes the feedback that there was a lot of back and forth on the
हाँ.
communication happened. मतलब छोटी छोटी queries के लिए we received an emails rather than it
Right.
should be consolidated at single level, और उसके साथ पूछे जाना चाहिए था. So we also take that feedback and फिर ठीक है, we'll take care of the next time. What else we can do?
That is like, we'll take care next time.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get
Something.
frustrated, dude. Answer, I need to get back to my work. Till when I
Right.
will consolidate, and then you will send me the answers, and then I will start working. So yeah, it becomes sometimes irritating both for the auditor and both for the management.
Both for the
Actually,
management.
you need to
True.
be very well, versed with each other. That okay, we are here to tolerate each other.
Right.
Okay, now we got into so much of auditing, like auditor and data analytics team meeting is like infinite number of conversation that we can have,
Conversation.
right? So now when it comes to AI tools, बहुत सारे AI tools आते हैं, literally daily आते हैं, और मैं ये पिछले 2 का podcast में पूछ चुकी हूँ. You will be the third guest, and I'm asking you the same question. Do you feel scared with the AI tools, or you are being like, thank God AI tools are gaye, it is making my work easier? What is your opinion, and how should a college student take it as a boon or a bane?
Okay, so AI tool is a big term, I would say. ठीक है, काफी बड़ी टर्म है और
Right.
काफी पॉपुलर भी है आज की जनरेशन के लिए, बिकॉज हर कोई AI के बारे में बात कर रहा है.
Exactly.
People will understand कि मैं भी कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड एज वेल, तो इतना टेक्निकल जाना मेरे लिए भी इज नॉट दैट मच इजी, राइट? But AI is something which does not relate to any qualification. It is
Right.
something which anybody can develop. It is some kind of a skill, like a swimming. Swimming is not something that okay, this person cannot do and this person can do, right? तो
right,
स्विमिंग कोई भी कर सकता है, तो एआई इज समथिंग कि हाँ। अब नाउ इट कम्स टू द पिक्चर कि हाउ एआई इज सो मच यूजेबल इन लाइक फॉर द एसीसीए और एनीथिंग। सो उसमें क्या होता है, फर्स्ट दैट एआई टूल वर ऑलरेडी बिल्ट बाय द डेवलपर्स, ठीक है, जो
right.
आपके इन हाउस टूल्स होते हैं। फर्स्ट यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू यूज देम,
Hmm.
so that is a different case. Now the second part comes when you have to build an AI tool for yourself. So of course that is not my expertise as well, or मैं suggest भी नहीं करता, because
हाँ,
that is a more core technical perspective,
exactly.
right? So that is not required. But हाँ, the if I talk about the tools which used in making the process automated. See, automation is also like two three types of. One is like when clicking the mouse, and second is like when to structure the data in a simpler format so that other person can easily read it or write it.
Right.
So here we are into that specialization to work on the big data set rather than creating some AI or anything for the organization. So that is a different story. Now, if I talk about the tools, it is like Alteryx is one of the good tool, and SQL is one of the languages.
Okay.
Python and Anaconda are also one of the complex, but I don't prefer going in that area because that is more way technical. So these are like two amazing tools, I would say, and it really helps us to structure the data in whatever the way we want. Like if we want to include anything, if we want to reduce anything, that it will help us to do that.
Okay, so basically it made your work a bit easier. And when it comes to companies like Big Four, वो अपने processes में AI tools बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुद से ही implement करते हैं. मतलब they are
Correct,
taking
correct.
year on, मतलब daily basis पे they are taking training that this is the new tool we have developed. Now you guys have to use it. So as
You
a
guys have to use it, right?
employee of this Big Four, you should feel more opportunate. You should feel like lucky that my team, my company is coming up with such great
Right.
options and everything, that they are also thinking from employees perspective कि उनका भी काम कम ही होगा and quality बढ़ती है, right?
That is true. That is true. Quality will automatically improve whenever
Exactly.
these things
मैनुअल
like
से ऑटोमेटेड पे शिफ्ट होना इज क्वालिटी एंड एरर्स
quality,
रिड्यूस करना और क्वालिटी को बढ़ाना.
because like that is true.
Right. So when you are finally into Big Four, it's like, okay, new tools. When I joined EY, there was not one tool that they had introduced. Now they have introduced, even in my time, they did it. But when that tool came in, I was like, oh my God, they made our work so easier. Otherwise, we used to copy, paste, and now you can just
Right.
directly see that. So it was like, कंपनीज बहुत ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर रही है एआई टूल्स पे. एंड अगर आप सच में उन्हें अच्छे से यूज करते हो, I guess कि and Big Fours में awards भी होते हैं that you saved this much time through data analytics tool or through
Right.
these tools. So did you get such a award? Like आपने इतना time बचाया engagement पे?
Yes, so recently we awarded as a super team because of the definitely the, I guess I'm not about sure the word, but some percentage was higher than other teams in Clara Data Analytics. So the time work of we have delivered was quite high. तो उसके लिए हमें award मिला था. बाकी we also have an awards of individual level as well. तो suppose कोई जैसे group deadline, group reporting deadline है, and it requires some special attention of you and
Right.
special skills get, or if you have delivered on timely basis, so people will get appreciated on their individual level as well. All are posted on my LinkedIn their area.
Guys, you
But
can
yeah,
check his link and I'll share in the description box.
yeah, that is fine. But yeah, I mean, the only point is that you will get appreciated if you have done something good. So
Yeah.
this is like the thing in the, I would say, I would believe in every of the big fours, they do it.
That's nice. That's nice. Actually, so just to conclude with that, you don't have to be scared with AI.
Right.
It's just that you should be scared with people who are learning faster than you. AI. ठीक
Right.
है? वो तुमसे आगे जा रहे हैं. तुम सिर्फ इसलिए पीछे रह जाओगे क्योंकि शायद तुमने टाइमली नहीं सीखा. That is the
Correct.
only one thing you should be scared of, I believe, right? क्योंकि आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, मतलब ईबाई में भी ऐसे होते थे, कुछ लोग बहुत जल्दी सीख जाते थे ये एआई टूल्स एंड फ्यू टेक्स टाइम. तो हम उन्हें कॉल करते रहते थे, भाई ये कैसे होगा, ये तो अभी नया टूल है, तो इतनी जल्दी कैसे सीख लिया. So that is one person who is always appreciated. उसे मैनेजर भी कॉल करेगा, यार ये बता रहा ये कैसे न्यू टूल में हुआ. So you should be a fast learner and you should be more excited. What comes next? What comes next? That is one
True,
thing
true.
that, है ना?
So exciting and interest is major part because जब मैं भी like when I started doing it for around 2 or 3 weeks, I felt कि
Okay.
यार कहाँ मुझे डेबिट क्रेडिट समझ में आता है, कहाँ मैं यहाँ पे if and buts की SQL queries राइट कर रहा हूँ. बट जैसे जैसे आई स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग इंटरेस्ट ना कि यार मतलब अच्छा मतलब if I do this तो it can be do this way as well. तो वो फिर एक इंटरेस्ट बनता चला गया एंड लाइक प्लेइंग विद द डेटा इज समथिंग आई रियली एंजॉय. मतलब आपके पास डेटा आ गया, नाउ इट्स योर
You
थिंग,
can play it.
डू,
Playground.
यू
It's
कैन
your
प्ले
playground.
इट नाउ. मतलब यू कैन पिक, स्टार्ट पिकिंग कि क्या इसमें से तुम निकाल सकते हो. एंड दैट बिकॉज प्रोफेशनल स्केप्टिज्म वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट दिस,
हाँ.
वेरी कॉमन वर्ड इन एसीसीए.
Right.
सो इट्स लाइक दैट कि नाउ मेरे पास डेटा है, इसमें से मैं कितनी गलती निकाल सकता हूँ. एंड बीइंग एन ऑडिटर तुम्हारा काम गलती निकालने का
गलती
है.
निकालना है.
जितनी
Exactly.
गलती निकालोगे उतना तुम्हें अच्छा रहेगा,
Appreciation मिलेगा.
एप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा. ट्रू.
लिटरली ये तो मैंने भी सीखा था. मतलब जब मैं ईवाई जर्नी में गई थी तो एज अ स्टाफ वन हमें क्या बोला गया था कि अपने ऑडिट प्रोसीजर्स पढ़ो एंड परफॉर्म द ऑडिट प्रोसीजर. बट एज अ
राइट.
स्टाफ वन क्या ही वो मुझे ऑडिट प्रोसीजर समझ में आ रहे हैं जो पीवाई की फाइल में हुआ है. आई यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड डू इट. बट आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स व्हेन आई एक्चुअली अंडरस्टूड, जब मैं ट्रिपल ए में घुसी और मैंने अपना थ्योरी थोड़ा वहां पे, मैंने कहा कोई नहीं, थोड़ा काम लेट होगा बट समझ के करती हूँ.
समझ के.
फिर जब मैंने वो प्रोसीजर समझना शुरू करे, दैट ऑडिटर इज recalculating and auditor is reviewing it, reconciling with it, I literally enjoyed it. मैं ऐसे पूछती थी क्लाइंट से, where is bank statement, इस मंथ की बैंक स्टेटमेंट दो. मैंने कहा सीनियर यहाँ पे बैंक स्टेटमेंट नहीं है. So
राइट.
you enjoy it. You be like ये नहीं आया, एविडेंस नहीं आई, ये नहीं हुआ. Then you enjoy it.
ऑल्सो जो ट्रिपल ए और डबल ए के लिए जो मतलब ऑलरेडी दे हैव रीड
Right.
इट, जिन्होंने वो पेपर मतलब आइदर स्टडिंग और पास इट, उनको ऑडिट काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगने लगता है. दैट इज माय लाइक पर्सनल
हाँ.
ओपिनियन.
Right.
क्योंकि यू नो द टर्म्स राइट. अब
Right.
आप रैंडम अगर कॉलेज से निकल के फर्स्ट यू विल अरे यार ऑब्टेन एविडेंस, एविडेंस क्या होता है,
Obtain evidence.
वेरीफाई,
Right.
वेरीफाई द स्टेटमेंट्स, वेरीफाई क्या करना है, ये
Exactly.
बैंक अकाउंट 1 मिलियन के 1 मिलियन मैच कर गया, नो नो उसका डबल इफेक्ट कहाँ पे है, ऑल दिस स्टफ. तो वो
Exactly.
एक टाइम के बाद ना यू स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि अरे यार इसका तो ऐसे है, नाउ आई गॉट इट. तो वो सारी चीजें रियली मतलब लाइक हेल्पफुल वंस यू रीड द डबल ए एंड ट्रिपल ए.
एग्जैक्टली. पता है मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ था. मतलब डबल ए मैंने कॉलेज में दिया. सो ठीक है, मैंने दे दिया, मुझे मजा आया, ओके. बट ट्रिपल ए वाज द लास्ट पेपर ऑफ माइन एंड मैं उस टाइम ईवाई में थी. जो जो ट्रिपल ए में मजा आया, आई लाइक ये तो मैं कर रही हूँ, ये तो मैंने अभी किया था, ये तो मैं कल करके आई थी. आई जस्ट
राइट.
recalculated it. So it becomes very very interesting and I feel ट्रिपल ए को पढ़ाने के लिए ऑडिट का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत जरूरी है. मतलब जिसने
बिल्कुल
ऑडिटिंग नहीं
बिल्कुल.
किया और वो पढ़ा रहे हैं, इट
वो
बिकम्स
नहीं
वेरी
बात
डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ मेंटर टू एक्सप्लेन कि होता क्या है. आई
बिकॉज
एक्सपीरियंस इट, मुझे पता है, इसलिए आई कुड गिव 1000 एग्जांपल्स टू माय स्टूडेंट्स कि हाँ भाई ये भी होता है, ये मैंने किया था, ये दिक्कत हुई थी.
तो उनके पास यू विल फाइंड रियल लाइफ बेस्ड सिनेरियोस कि
हाँ,
भाई
और मजा आता
इट
है.
इज हैपनिंग इन द रियल लाइफ, नॉट इन द
एग्जैक्टली.
बुक ओनली. मतलब हम रियल लाइफ में ये चीज करके आ रहे हैं, नाउ वी आर डूइंग इट ऑन पेपर.
Exactly.
या.
So what was, since we are so much into the auditing already, what was the most challenging moment in your life कि यार ये थोड़ा challenging था, यहाँ पे I learned a good lesson and it was, something सबकी लाइफ में एक, और corporate world में एक lesson होता है, a lesson or a learning or a difficult moment, anything that you would like to share?
डोंट थिंक एज सच मोमेंट, बट हाँ एक चीज मैं बोलूंगा, व्हेन आई एम बीइंग यू नो being there's a term called be performance manager in Big Fours. I'm not sure about Big Four, but in KPMG,
Okay.
where we are like analyze the performance of juniors and assessments has been done on the like interim and year end basis.
Right.
How did you perform?
Right.
So first when I being the first person, so that is the first time when I was on the opposite chair. क्योंकि अभी तक तो मैं वहां पे बैठ के
करवाना था
मैं
अपनी परफॉर्मेंस में.
फीडबैक्स अपने आप की फीडबैक्स को जस्टिफाई करता था कि आई हैव डन दिस, आई हैव डन दिस, आई हैव डन दिस,
Right.
एंड बेस्ड ऑन दिस गिव मी दिस blah 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 blah. बट वो मेरे लिए काफी चैलेंजिंग था बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव टू बी अ गुड लिसनर. ठीक है, एंड आई एम द पर्सन हु टॉक सो मच, तो उसके लिए वहां पे बैठ के और जूनियर्स की सुनना एंड उनकी परफॉर्मेंस को एनालाइज करना, वो चैलेंजेस दे आर फेसिंग उनको गाइड करना,
Right.
so that is like I would say quite challenging for me, but yeah, it was a very good learning, and वो काफी मतलब मेरे को हेल्प करा, because जब आप स्टार्टिंग में काम कर रहे होते हो ना, तो यू आर लाइक एन इंडिविजुअल, राइट,
हाँ,
बट व्हेन यू हैव लाइक एट अ सीनियर लेवल, तो आपको फिर यू थिंक एज अ टीम लेवल कि व्हाट विल बी द बेस्ट फॉर द टीम रादर देन एन इंडिविजुअल, तो
exactly.
वो काफी चैलेंजिंग होता है, हाउ टू लीड अ टीम, और बिकॉज थ्री पीपल्स इफ लाइक वर्किंग विद यू एंड यू आर डेलीगेटिंग द वर्क टू देम, तो वो थ्री डिफरेंट माइंडसेट्स के साथ यू आर वर्किंग नाउ, एक पॉइंट के लिए इट ऑलवेज बी लाइक इस साइड से 6 दिख रहा है, अदर साइड से 9 दिख रहा है, एंड नाउ यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन देम कि you both are right,
Inside
but we
circle.
have to do this right.
Right. Think
तो
from my
वो एक काफी
perspective.
चैलेंजिंग मोड है, स्पेशली विद द न्यू जॉइनर्स आई वुड से, क्योंकि दे कम अप विद लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट्स, दे कम अप विद लॉट ऑफ न्यू थॉट्स, राइट, उनका मतलब कॉर्पोरेट्स इज लाइक, उनको लगता है कि कॉर्पोरेट इज
नई दुनिया
लाइक
में आ गए.
हाँ, बट इट्स लाइक उनके साथ काफी, बट स्टार्टिंग में व्हेन यू स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग देम, तो फिर थोड़ा सा पीपल मैनेजमेंट पे चला जाता है, एंड दे विल 3-4 महीने में, 5 महीने में, दे विल फील लाइक ओके वी आर लाइक नाउ फाइन.
Exactly. And you know what? कल का ही एपिसोड था, मतलब आई शॉट या लास्ट आई गेस एपिसोड 2 है, ठीक है. शी क्या बिजी सीजन में इट्स लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट टू कांटेक्ट सीनियर अगेन एंड अगेन. मेरे का सीनियर
Right,
नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर पर्सपेक्टिव आल्सो. Lot of orders coming from manager also. They need to explain you and review your work. So it's
right.
not their fault. They are working on multiple clients. We are here कि हमारा काम हो गया, आप पकड़ो, हम जा रहे हैं. But seniors ऐसा नहीं करते, उन्हें सब कुछ देखना पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल. Seniors are
Right.
like sandwiches in between. You have the people in you, and you have the other peoples to to answer for.
Exactly.
So we are like the sandwich in between.
Exactly. जब मैं ही वही थी ना, मुझे भी कभी कभी फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती थी, सुनते क्यों नहीं है. फिर मुझे ना, मतलब जब मैं बाहर आई, फिर मुझे पर्सपेक्टिव उनका समझ में आया. मैंने कहा
समझ गए.
okay, now I understand why they don't listen. मतलब I became staff 3 when I just left, and this opinion I had when I was staff 1. So staff 3 पे ही मुझे समझ में आ गया था, यहाँ से senior, यहाँ से staff 1 and 2 taking my help, seniors coming for new work. I am another sandwich.
Everything. वो ऐसा ही होता है. When you started stand ना, तो वो चीजें
Right.
स्टार्ट हो जाती है.
Right. So we are almost at the end. Now the second last question. If a college student is coming into your profile, what skills would you suggest him or her to do it before they come? For example, when I come through auditing, अगर मैं आती हूँ, the first skill that I suggest is learn Excel. ठीक है, चाहे तुम्हें वो pivot, XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, ये सब
Right.
चीजें आनी ही आनी चाहिए. What when it comes to data analysis?
See, Excel, we still use it. Excel तो is like Excel, okay.
हाँ.
वो तो मतलब आपको you have to be at least intermediate level if you started
Right.
your journey. वो तो आपको उस level पे आना चाहिए, because that is something which is very required
एंड नॉट
into
जस्ट सर्टिफिकेट, एक्चुअल में आना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ
actual में आना चाहिए.
सर्टिफिकेट लेकर
Right,
आ गए,
right.
यूट्यूब से सीख कर आ जाओ, चाहे सर्टिफिकेट मत लेकर आओ.
Certificate नहीं, मतलब that I'm not sure, but if
हाँ.
I will be the interviewer ना, will not ask you the question. I'll give you the laptop and will ask you to do it.
हाँ,
हाँ.
एग्जैक्टली.
So that is like what we do. And the other, I would say that, okay, see, Alteryx is something which is quite an expensive tool to be used. So that is not easily available for individuals. But yeah,
Right.
SQL is something which can be learned through YouTube. So there are other many internet platforms
Okay.
जहाँ पे आप उनके courses कर सकते हो. But I would always say कि don't focus on the certifications, ठीक है? क्योंकि एक टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं हो कि आपको वो एक कागज का टुकड़ा लगे, बट यू शुड हैव एक्चुअल दैट स्किल्स टू वर्क ऑन, मतलब आपको वो चीज आनी चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो ये है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सी ऑडिट, इफ देयर अ लाइक इफ यू आर इनटू ऑडिट, सो ऑडिट स्किल्स तो आर नेसेसरी, राइट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑलवेज अ गुड पार्ट, बिकॉज वो आपको काफी हेल्प करता है, बिकॉज आपको अपनी बात समझनी भी होती है एंड सामने वाले को बात समझानी भी होती है.
एग्जैक्टली.
So both the things are there. And The other point I would say that professional behavior is also one of the key
Right.
when you are working in any
One
of the
of
organization.
the major
One of the
ethics that we study,
yeah
professional
yeah
behavior.
behavior. So that is also a good thing which we need to work on. Rest, I would say that
You
if you are
learn.
like, so you will
You
learn
learn with
by the
time.
time.
You
You
learn
will
with
learn by the
experience, you learn with time.
time. Right.
And corporate world will teach you patience to next level, like
Right.
patience and anger management. It literally taught me these two skills to the next level. How to
True.
manage your anger and how to be patient.
Patient
That's
enough.
one thing and you have to be a good listener and you have to be outspoken equally. अब majority of students क्या सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ सुनो, इतना सुनना भी जरूरी है उतना बोलना भी जरूरी है, मीटिंग
बोलना
में
भी
खड़े
जरूरी है.
होके बोलना भी जरूरी है कि ये
Right.
गलत था.
You have to showcase yourself.
हाँ,
Otherwise, फिर आप
you
outline नहीं
will
कर
be just
पाओगे
like
तो
भीड़, right?
correct. Right.
भीड़ ही होंगे तुम, भीड़ का हिस्सा ही होंगे. You have to be outspoken as well.
True.
Okay,
That is true.
that's super amazing. Okay, last question is like, let's see, आज ये कोई थर्ड ईयर का स्टूडेंट देख रहा है and उसका कल या परसों कोई इंटरव्यू है. What would be those 3 or maybe 2 things that you would suggest कि यार इंटरव्यू में जाने से पहले या तो ये कर ले और ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू डू दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जो रिज्यूमे में लिखा है वो अच्छे से पढ़ के जाना. उस पे पूरा रिज्यूमे इग्नोर होके तुम्हारा इंटरव्यूअर एक चीज पकड़ के बैठ सकता है, राइट?
Right.
वो पूरा अच्छी क्वालिटीज इग्नोर कर देगा, वो सिर्फ तुम्हारी एक नॉवल पे भी अटक सकता है. इफ यू हैव रिटन दैट यू हैव रेड दिस नॉवल एंड उसने भी पढ़ी है, वो उस पे अटक सकता है. बाहर में गया तुम्हारा डेटा एनालिटिक्स, ऑडिटिंग, सब कुछ. व्हाट वुड बी दैट टिप्स फॉर यू?
So, the first thing which works for me well in the interviews is be confident. I would say कि you should have the confidence, and it will all over your body, your face, and your talks.
Right.
You should be confident. It does not feel like कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. The other person is also a human being. वो कोई
Exactly.
no, not more than that. So be confident on that. And about your resume, do not write anything which is not relevant.
Exactly.
Only because long writing paragraphs are not the key points they are going to take. Just make that also shows कि आप अपनी बात कितने कम शब्दों में समझा पा रहे हो.
Exactly.
So interview resume that also shows that skill as well. And see, I do not have the questions because I have never taken any interview in my in my life yet. But the one which I like received from my managers or anything, ki how it feels. So how would I say it? That be knowledgeable about what you are interviewing for, and whatever the jobs you are applying, जो भी आप job apply कर रहे हो, read the description as well.
Right.
कि if the profile suits you or not, because most of the time I felt कि people apply but after few time they feel कि यार मैं तो इस role के लिए I was not there. So you can ask in interview कि what is the exact work I'll be doing.
Exactly.
Because you are not sure कि हम people are most of the like कि एक बार Big Four में जाना है, Big Four में जाना है, but that is also not the right path, because I would say कि right, मतलब wait करना is more better than working into a wrong profile.
I agree.
So
I completely agree.
always read the job description very carefully. Ask as many questions as you can, but should be relevant, not irrelevant questions. Should be relevant. That is also a good thing. And just speak less and give your answer in a very descriptive. क्योंकि उनके पास पूरा दिन नहीं है to, because पूरा दिन लोग बोल सकते हो, but जितनी जल्दी you can smaller
You can
sentences में you can
impress
finish
them
your
with
word.
less word.
Right. You can impress them with the less words. So that is also always the key.
Everything is about time saving, be it AI tools or be it their, interview. They will appreciate if you save their time because they can have their lunch in that time. Right.
If they need what they want in 5 minutes,
Right.
25
Why will
minutes
they
will
waste
be
it?
that. Right. So they will just select you in this. And if they didn't find you in the next 10 to 15 minutes, they will not find you in. No point.
Right. So after every interview, interviewer asks you, do you have any questions? So please utilize that.
Yes.
I have a question. Do not say, no, sir, I'm done. I don't have any question. Okay, bye. Please
Ask it.
Ask a right question. Do not ask any relevant question, but a right question.
Right question. True.
Okay, so finally, we have come to the end of our podcast. To sum up this particular podcast in just 5 minutes, what we have done, first of all, we talked about data analytics profile, what exactly it is, how do you help an auditor, how do you guys filter the work, what should I expect when I finally get my job into data analytics, how KPMG or any other big four helps students to be cope up with the AI tools, then
Right.
what skills you need to possess before you enter into data analytics team, and of course, interview tips are the major tips that we have discussed here, and the common mistakes that is done by every college student out there during their interview. So how was your experience? I know it was your first podcast. I hope it was not an interview types and you had fun talking to me.
No, it was literally a great, honestly speaking. Though we are like, we have been talking on LinkedIn from last, I guess we connected earlier, but due to some
Yeah,
exams, I told you to postpone it. Yeah,
right,
but
right.
that is like absolutely fine, and it's really great talking to you. Never feels like an interview; it's just a like conversation between two people. That's a great thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Even I had a pleasant time coming up and, talking to you. So,
Yeah.
guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. And the next episode, I will be having another guest from another industry and another company. See you there. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.